Working with a big spreadsheet full of information can feel like a big task, especially when you have to read and edit hundreds or even thousands of data entries. But don't worry, we have got some tricks up our sleeve to make it easier. All thanks to Microsoft Excel. Let's dive in and make managing ChocoBites data a piece of cake. ChocoBites has sent over a huge inventory file. They need us to check what's in there already and add some new stuff. Over 100 entries need our attention, but we can breeze through them using Excel's handy shortcuts and features. Excel has some cool tricks its sleeve to help us get around and make changes easily. One useful feature is freeze panes. It's like sticking a part of your screen so it doesn't move when you scroll. Imagine freezing the top row so it's always visible while the rest of the data scroll beneath. This is great for keeping track of important information while browsing through the rest. You can also split your screen into two windows using the new window option. It's like having two views, same file at once. This way, you can keep an eye on one part while you work on another. The name box is another cool thing in Excel. It's like a signpost that helps you jump to a specific place in your file. You can type in a cell's name, hit enter, and boom, you're there. It's handy for moving around quickly. You can even give a cell nickname to remember it better. Now, let's help ChocoBites. First, let's freeze some key rows to get a better view. Go to the View tab and Freeze Panes and pick Freeze Top Row. This makes sure the top row stays put while you scroll. Remember, it might not always be row 1. If you need to lock the first column, select Freeze First Column, usually the category column. But what if we need to freeze both rows and columns? Say we want to see all the categories in column A and B while scrolling. Click on C2, then freeze the panes. This locks everything above and to the left of the cell. Now you have got column A and B along with row 1 frozen for your convenience. To unfreeze, just hit unfreeze panes. ChocoBites also wants us to keep row 152 on the screen while we work elsewhere. Here's a neat trick. Open a new window for the same file. It's not a copy, just a different view. Now you can work in one view and keep an eye on row 152 in the other. Keyboard shortcuts are your best friend. Use Ctrl plus Home to leap to the top left of your worksheet, or hold Shift while doing this to select everything on your way. Now let's rename a cell for ChocoBites. They want us to change cell 152 to units in stock. Just click on the cell, go to the name box, type units in stock and hit enter. Remember, no space allowed in cell names, so use underscores instead. These names make it easier to identify data and are super helpful in calculations. You can see the names in a drop-down list in the name box. Want to check where a named cell is used? Go to Formula, Name Manager. You can view, access, and even jump to that cell from any sheet in the workbook. And there you have it. With these Excel tricks, managing ChocoBites spreadsheet is a breeze. Now you are equipped to handle any Excel task that come your way for ChocoBites or any other sweet venture.